Recording? Okay, so I'm doing cables for my battery bank. And best thing to do is you go to your supplier, get your wires, and you can just buy it in a big roll, and then you can cut them yourself and put them all together yourself and get the right lengths that you need and all that. Basically, this is called, I believe, OT1. This is what we have. OT1 cable. There's all the lettering and everything else. Okay, so best thing to have is this little crimper for these. 20 bucks. Will last you forever. So what you do is you cut your wires however you want to cut them. You want to try and cut them as neatly as possible and flush. You just take off the little end off of there. You buy these. Now these are the ends. You can get them in different sizes in here and for different sizes of cables. So I got the ones that I needed for here. I already put these on. We just got our new camera. Haha. So anyways, then you got your shrink wrap. So you take your ends, you put them on. Lift this up. Lifts up this part. You just put it in here. And then you take your hammer, put it in here. Like, you got to put it on the ground. Give it a pretty good shot. You only need 2 shots, and it crimps it real nice on there. Can't get off. Then you take your shrink wrap.
That one's supposed to be red.
Nope. Black.
Oh, negative straight.
And then all you need to do, you're gonna have to turn that a little bit. You just need a little heat. I'm just doing it right off of here. Here, maybe you can give me that thing so they can actually see it.
Don't drop my phone.
No, I'll try not to drop your phone. Okay, you'll see it start to shrink. And you want to try and do it so that it's nice on both sides. Don't hit your glass with the metal. That would be bad. Just give it a little heat. You don't want to touch the front, but... Ooh, that's hot. Hot, hot. And there you go. Pretty much it. You can kind of squeeze her down a little bit. Just be careful because she can be hot. And this is just to kind of protect the end. It doesn't really do anything but that. It just helps to protect it and seal it from water, crud, corrosion, all that kind of good stuff. And that's basically it. That's as easy as it is. Now, these shrink wraps, you can get them so that you have like positive and negative. So it's very important. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my batteries, let me get comfortable here. Putting my batteries, they're 6-volt batteries. So I have 2, and I have a 24-volt system. So I got to take 2 6-volt batteries and put them in parallel. Or, no, sequence.
12, not 24.
And, yeah, 12 volts. So you take your 6-volt batteries. I put them in series. So it goes from positive to negative on 2 batteries. Now those 2 batteries have become a 12-volt battery combined. I have a 12-volt system, so that's what I need. So I put these 2 together, and then I take my long ones for negative, positive, and I connect them to the 2 bars that I have that connects all of my batteries together. So I have one bar that's obviously negative, the other one's positive. So I have to make sure that everything is connected properly so that we don't go zappy zappy. There you go. How to make your cables.
Next video will be setting it up.
Yeah. Next video is I'm going to be putting all of this together, and I'll show you the battery bank and how I'm doing all that. Okay? See you in a bit.